Okay. In last class, we learned the uses of water, right? What were the uses of water? We use water for
Drinking.
drinking.
Drinking, ma'am.
Yes.
Drinking. Washing.
Very good. Washing,
Bathing, ma'am.
washing, bathing,
Drinking, ma'am.
then cleaning
Drinking,
vegetables,
ma'am.
cooking.
Bathing, ma'am. Bathing, ma'am. Cleaning, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now we use water for, some of the uses of water are, we use water for drinking, washing, bathing, cleaning, cooking. We use water even for washing our vehicles, watering plants. Farmers used to use water for watering the farm, right? Okay. So these are the some of the uses of water. Okay. But for us, in order to use water, from where do we get water? From where do we get water? At home, you say that you're drinking and taking bath, washing and cleaning everything. From where do you get water at home?
Rain, ma'am.
Inside your house, does it rain?
Mountain, ma'am.
No,
20 minutes.
inside your house, how do you get water? From the tap. Very good, very good. Okay. So from the tap, yes. At home, you'll get water from the tap, which is released by the government. It depends on whether you're getting Kaveri water or borewell water, whatever it is, the water is being supplied to your house. And from the taps from your house is where you receive water, right? But even if that water has to, they have to store the water, right? In order to have sufficient water to distribute to everyone. Correct? So from where, what are the sources of water? From where do they get water? From where all do they get water, children?
In ground, ma'am.
Very good. Groundwater is there.
In ground, ma'am.
Yes. Water is there in the ground. Yes. How do we use this? How are we able to use this? Either we dig up wells, right? We dig up wells or bore wells from where we can take the water from the ground. Then we also have sea, ocean, right? Here also you will find water. Then you also have ponds.
Ocean.
Yes, ponds.
Ma'am, tap also, ma'am.
River. Yes,
River.
tap. Very good. River. Yes. Okay, river. Then you also have something called as reservoirs. Yes, Nikshita, even river also. I've written it here. Okay, you also get water from reservoirs. Okay, reservoirs are something like dams where they store water so that that water can be released when there is water shortage. Okay, and you also get water. Yes, Dikshita.
Ponds.
Yes, ponds also you get water. Okay, ponds, river, stream. Okay, you get water from all these. Yes, stream. Okay, but which is the main source of water? Which is the main source of water?
Rain.
Very good, very good. Yes, rain is the main source of. Yes, rain is the main source of water. Okay, when it rains, the water gets, some of the water reaches the sea or the ocean, some water gets seeped into the ground. Okay, once it goes into the ground, that is where you get water from the well, right? Okay, and then you also have lakes from where you can get the water. So what are all these? These are called as the sources of water, from where we get water. Okay. Now, okay, can you all see? Can you all see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see one boy standing here?
I don't have, ma'am.
You don't have this book, that is why I'm showing you the picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, like I've already told you all before, You all have not received any of the textbooks from the school. So when you receive them, when you receive it, when the textbooks come to school, we will let you know. Okay. For now, can you all see this picture, children? Can you all see the small boy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
boy is standing here.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all see the picture around him and the one which is there in front of him? Yes. Okay. So these are the sources of water. Okay. These are the sources of water. From where do we get water? Can you all see? He's getting water from the tap here in front of his house. Okay. Then you also see a well. Okay. You can see a well from where he's getting, from where you can get water. Then there is a water tank, right? Can you all see the water tanks here? Then you have the hand pump. Okay, this is the hand pump from where you get water. Then this is the pond or lake. Okay, and this is the stream. Yes. Okay, and this is the stream from where you can get water. Is that clear? Okay, now these are called as the sources of water. From where all do we get water from? Okay, now I'll show you from the activity book. Okay, now before we go to this, from where do we get water from? Where do we get? Yes, now first I'm just asking you the question. You do not have even your activity book also. Okay, you do not have the activity book. Can you tell me from where do you get water from? Very good. You get water from the taps. Some of them in the villages, they go to the well to draw water and they bring it home, right? In pots. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay. Then how do you get water at home? At home, you get water through the tap. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. And then from where do village people get water from? In the villages, where do they get water from? Wells. Yes, they get water from ponds or wells. Yes, yes. Okay. Now here I will read here, since you do not have the book with you. I will read. I want you all to listen. Okay. Do not make noise. Okay. I'm muting everyone. Kindly do not unmute till I ask you the questions. Okay. Now here, rain is the main source of water. So which is the main source of water? It is rain. Okay, rain water fills up the lakes and rivers. Okay, like I told you, when it rains, some of the rain goes to the rivers or seas or oceans, depending on the places where it rains, and some water gets into the ground as well. Okay, we get water from lakes, rivers, streams, and ponds. Okay, we also get water from tanks, tube wells, and hand pump. Okay, if you see here, lakes, rivers, streams, and ponds, these are all natural. Okay, these are all formed naturally. While these tanks, tube wells or wells and hand pump, all these are all man-made. Okay, they dig up or they build the tanks. We dig up or we build the tanks. These are all man-made. Okay, next, water is stored in a place called reservoir. Okay, if you can see here, this is called as a reservoir where the water is stored. Okay, so here you know that we get water naturally. From where do we get water? The main source of water is rainwater. Okay, what happens when it rains? It gets collected either in rivers or ponds, lakes, or it also joins the sea and the oceans. Okay, but since none of those waters you can drink directly, what does the government do? It cleans that water, purifies it, and then sends it to our house through the taps. Okay, and then we also get water from man-made things like the tanks or wells or hand pumps. Okay, these are all man-made water storage. Okay, now here, can you all see what is this? Yes. Rain. Very good. Rain. Yes, rain. Very good. This is rain. Rain is the main source of water. Okay, what is rain? Rain is the main source of water. Second one is well. Very good. First was yes. Third one. Third one. Very good. This is a hand pump. Then the next fourth picture. River. This is a river. This is a river. Yes. What is this? Yes, this is reservoir. Okay, that is called as a reservoir. Okay, where the water is stored for future use. Okay, then we have pond. Okay, then we have pond. These are all naturally made. Okay, now we also can have man-made ponds as well. Okay, then you have lake, right? Lake, and then you have streams. Can you see? It's in the form of zigzag, right? This is called as a stream. Okay, so these are the sources of water. What are these called as? These are called as the sources of water. Yes, these are the sources of water. Okay, now next one. Yes. Okay, now next one. Okay, there are a few questions here. I will just ask you all orally. You all can just answer it. Okay. What do you need to clean the floor of your house? What do you need in order to clean the floor of your house? Yes, you need water. Before you swap the house, you need to first sweep the house, right? Okay, and then you need water to clean. After you sweep, you need water to swap the house. Then next, which is the main source of water?
Rain.
Very good. Rainwater. Very good. Yes, next one, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. We need water to dash. So what do we need water?
Drink,
Very good.
Drink,
Water
ma'am.
to drink. Yes. In the city, we get okay. In the city, we get our water supply from dash. We get water supply from lake. Yes. Before it comes to the tap, from the lakes only, they take the water. Okay. So in the city, we get water from the tap. Okay. Water is stored in a place called reservoir. Very good, very good. Water is stored in a place called reservoirs. Okay, next one. Yes, dams. Okay. Next one, dash and dash also need water. Do only human beings need water? Very good. Plants and animals also need water. Okay, when you all are screaming like this, I'm sure none of them are able to understand what you're trying to tell. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood the lesson water. You have to know what are the basic uses of water and from where we get water. Do you all know what are the uses of water, right? For what water is used? Yes. And then second one, you all also know from where we get water. We get water from rain. Rain is the main source of water. Then we also get from other places like the sea, ocean, ponds, lakes, rivers, streams. These are all the other places from where we get water. Okay. Now, I want all of you to take your EVS classwork.
EVS classwork.
Okay. Take your EVS classwork.
Why?
Okay. Take your EVS classwork. Take a new page.
Take a new page.
Okay, take a new page.
Mommy, எழுதுறாங்க வா mommy.
Okay.
Pen.
Take the next new page. You've already written lesson number 2, right? Plants around us. Now you lesson number 3, water. Okay, take a new page. Write today's date, 6 dash 8 dash 21. Okay, and then in the first line, write down capital L. Write down capital L. Capital L dash 3. Capital L dash 3. Put 2 dots. Okay, put 2 dots like this. Okay, now write down capital W. Alan Joshua, are you writing, ma? Yes. Okay, capital W A T E R, water. Capital W A T E R, water. Okay, please leave a line as I tell you. Okay, wherever I ask you to leave 2 lines, you have to leave 2 lines. Wherever I tell, whether I tell you or no, if the line is over, before you come to the next line, leave a line and then write. Okay, some of you are just writing one below the other. Please don't do that. Your book will look very untidy. Okay, so leave a line and write. Okay, all of you have taken down the heading. Now leave 2 lines. Okay, how many lines will you leave? Leave 2 lines. Okay, yes, leave 2 lines. Write Roman number 1 in the margin. Okay, write Roman number 1 in the margin. Write down the side, capital A, NS, WER, answer. Capital A, NS, WER, answer. Leave a finger space. Okay, leave a finger space. Write down THE, 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 answer the. Leave a finger space. Write down FOLLOWING, okay, FOLLOWING, following. Okay, answer the following. Now, how many lines will you leave? Leave 1 line. Okay, leave 1 line. In the margin, write capital Q1. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1. Now write down the question, capital W, H, Y, capital W, H, Y, leave a finger space, write down DO, do, leave a finger space, write down WE, W-E, we. Okay, why do we? Leave a finger space. Write down N-E-E-D, need. N-E-E-D, need. Leave a finger space. Write down W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Okay. Why do we need water? We need water for our daily use. What are our daily use? It can be for drinking, taking bath, washing, cleaning, for everything. Okay. All of you have taken down the question? Yes. Okay. Now leave a line, write capital A1 for answer number 1. Write down capital A1, answer number 1. Okay.
Leave one line, ma'am.
Yes, Alan, you have to leave one line. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now, after you leave a line, write down capital A1 for answer 1. Okay. And this side, write down capital W, capital W, E, V, capital W, E, V. Leave a finger space. Okay. We need. N-E-E-D, need. N-E-E-D, need. We need. Leave a finger space. Write down W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. We need water. Leave a finger space. Write down F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. We need water for. Leave a finger space. Write down O-U-R, R. O-U-R, R. Okay, we need water for. R. Leave a finger space. Write down D-A-I-L-Y, D-A-I-L-Y, daily. D-A-I-L-Y, daily. Leave a finger space. Write down U-S-E, use. U-S-E, use. Okay, and then put a full stop. Why do we need water? We need water for our daily use. Okay, so why do we need water? We need water for our daily use. Now leave a line, put a full stop after use, leave a line, write capital Q2. Question number 2. Okay, capital Q2, question number 2. Now write down capital C-A-N, can. Capital C-A-N, can. Leave a finger space. Write down W-E, we. W-E, we. Can we. Leave a finger space. Write down D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Leave a finger space. Write down S-E-A, C, S-E-A, C, S-E-A, C. Leave a finger space. Write down W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Okay, and then put a question mark. Put a question mark. Then again, leave one finger space. Write down capital W, capital W, H, Y, Y, capital W.
Good man.
Yes, Aldrin?
After drink man.
After
C,
drink what?
S,
After drink man.
yes, after drink it is C, S-E-A, C. Okay, S-E-A, C, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, question mark, and then capital W-H-Y. Okay, can we drink sea water?
No, ma'am.
You cannot drink.
No,
Why you cannot
ma'am.
drink?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good.
Salty,
Why?
ma'am.
Very good.
Salty,
Because it
ma'am.
will be salty. Yes, very good. Yes. Now write down. Now leave a line, write capital. Okay, now leave a line. Yes, correct, ma. Okay, now leave a line, write capital A2, answer number 2. Capital A2, answer number 2. Okay, now write down capital N-O, no. Capital N-O, no. Put a comma. Okay, then leave a finger space, write down W-E, V, W-E, V, W-E-V, leave a finger space, write down C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. Okay, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot. Leave a finger space, write down D-R-I-N-K, drink. Yes, Melvin?
What is cannot spelling, ma'am?
C-A,
Yes, ma'am.
C-A-N-N, spelling of can, C-A-N, can, and then N-O-T, not, cannot. Okay, C-A-N is can, N-O-T, not. So cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T. Okay, cannot drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. Okay, then leave a finger space, write down S-E-A-C, 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 leave a finger space, write down W-A-T-E-R, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, leave a finger space. Okay, write down B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because B-E BECAUSE 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 leave a finger space, write down IT, it, leave a finger space, write down WILL, 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 leave a finger space, write down B.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Alan?
what is big, ma'am?
Because BECAUSE because, okay, BECAUSE because, okay, because it will be salty, 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 salty. Okay, everyone understood? Can we drink
Yes,
seawater?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, today we will stop at this. Tomorrow we will continue writing. Yes, very good. Very good. Salty is SAL. Okay, the rest of you all quiet. The ones who are writing, let them write. Please do not unmute. Okay, salty spelling is SALTY. SALT. Yes, ma'am, I'm telling you the spelling of salty. Okay, SALTY. Salty. Okay. Okay, now all the ones who are telling
Finish, ma'am.
okay, I know most of you all have completed. Someone was asking for the spelling of salty. Salty spelling is SALTY. Salty. Okay. SALTY. Salty. Please do not unmute yourself unless and until you're asked to. Okay. Now I'm going to take the attendance. Okay. And also Christy Karunya, Danishta. Okay, now I want all of you all to be quiet now. The ones who have not submitted your activities, I'm going to call out their names only. Okay. Danishta, you need to submit your English activity. You have to recite the poem. One morning, take a video and send. Okay, otherwise you'll get 0 for it. Please make sure that you send. Pratusha Rai, you're supposed to send EVS activity. Okay, Pratusha Rai, I have not received your EVS activity. Same thing with Sweta. Even Sweta's EVS activity is not yet received. Christy Karunya, I'm not sure if you're here, but if you're there, all the 3 projects have not received. Arul Nilan is here. Arul Nilan, you're supposed to give your EVS activity. Okay. And then Nitish V. Nitish V, you have to give all the 3 projects. You've not submitted your English, Maths or EVS. And then Pranav, you need to submit your EVS activity. The other 2 you have given, only your EVS activity is pending. Okay, kindly submit your activities, otherwise you will get 0 for that subject. So please make sure that you send. Now Abhinaya R is present. Charvi. Is Chris Anna present? Yes, I've given you. Is Chris Anna present? I can't see Chris Anna's name. Christy Karuni also I'm not able to see. Dikshita is present. Elshiba is present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Inchara is present. Meghana is present. Melissa is present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Pratusha is present. Riya is present.
Present,
Sweta. Yes. Sweta is present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes.
India
Aaron
present,
Dion.
ma'am.
Yes, I've given you, ma. Okay, next, Aaron Dion is present. Alrich, Alan,
Yes,
Andrew,
ma'am.
Arul, David.
Present, ma'am.
Yes,
Present,
I've given you all the attendance, okay? Is Danu
Yes,
present?
ma'am. Present, ma'am.